To accept your student AUP and set up your security questions, first, browse to thomasmore.edu/password. Once you're here, you'll need to type in the provided username and password that you were given. Then click Sign In. The next thing you'll need to do is set up your security questions. Make sure to fill out every question here on this page. Down below, you will see 3 blank boxes. You will need to type in your own question here. Once you have answered and set up every single question, click Save Answers. You will then get a message that says, "Thank you for setting up your security questions." After this, just click Continue. After that, you will be taken to the page where you will need to accept your student AUP. The student AUP is the Technology Acceptable Use Agreement policy. You can read through the policy here by scrolling down. Once you are done reading the policy, you can go ahead and click I agree. Then just click Continue. Then just click Update. Then click Continue one more time. And now you'll be asked to create a new password. Before creating your new password, make sure to take a look at the following requirements shown here. For example, your password is case sensitive, it must be at least 8 characters long, it must not include a common word or commonly used sequence of characters, it must not include any part of your name or username, and you must have at least 3 types of the characters shown here. Once you've created your new password and confirmed it, go ahead and click Change Password. Once you have created a new password, you should be all set and ready to go. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us. You can call us at 859-344-3646, or you can put a help desk ticket in at helpdesk.thomasmore.edu.